Hey everyone, if QuickBooks multi-user mode isn't working and your team can't access the company file at the same time, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix multi-user mode fast, so everyone can work together seamlessly. First, make sure all computers are properly connected to the same network. Even small network issues can prevent QuickBooks from connecting in multi-user mode, so check that every machine is online and communicating correctly. Next, verify your hosting settings. Only the main server computer should have hosting enabled. If more than one computer has hosting turned on, it can create conflicts that block multi-user access. So check File, Arrow, Utilities, Arrow, Host, multi-user access on the server. Make sure all QuickBooks installations are updated to the latest version. Mismatched versions across computers can stop multi-user functionality, so update every copy of QuickBooks before trying again. Check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security programs block QuickBooks from communicating across the network. Make sure QuickBooks is allowed through firewalls on all machines. For desktop versions, run the QuickBooks Database Server Manager. This tool manages network access and ensures the company file is visible and accessible to all users. Scan the folder containing the company file to refresh network settings. If problems still persist, open the QuickBooks Tool Hub and select Network Issues. So it will automatically diagnose and repair multi-user connection problems, which is really helpful if you're not sure what's causing the error. And finally, restart all computers on the network. A simple reboot can resolve lingering connection issues and restore multi-user access. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix QuickBooks multi-user mode not working. Follow each step, and your team should be able to access the company file together without any problems. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more QuickBooks tutorials for quick and easy solutions. Hey everyone,